everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy to introduce you to the Curiosity shoulder bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see it has this wonderful decorative flap, but there's more to it than that. It is double snaps. So when you open it up, the first flap, that gives you access to the main section of the bag, which has a decorative slip pocket or decorative zipper pocket, as well as two slip pockets. And then another magnetic snap for this flap. You flip up and you have a secure slip pocket here. Doesn't it look like it has a face? It's just so cute. And on the back, you have another slip pocket. It is just, I don't know. I just loved making this bag. I think it is just so classy and so pretty. You can see how it could turn out amazing in different vinyls or what have you as well. I chose to do this one with a double-sided strap. I think that was really pretty. Purse feet, and as you can see, it is a decent size shoulder bag. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these in your choices of colors, hardwares, etc., you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.